Complete the design and output. When we finish the manual adjustment, we need to proceed to bending. To see where the wire will be bent, use this button here. And then this button shows all of the bending points. Okay, on this one. The colored section indicates the piece that you have selected. And when you finish editing and everything looks okay, then there's no problem. If this computer is connected to the bending machine, then all you need to do is click Start Bending. Okay. Because there is no bending machine connected to this computer, and if this computer is only used for design, then you need to output the wire files. Okay. You can choose to output all the wires or just a single wire. Okay. So we can choose Export All Wires. We can create a new folder and select it. Okay, no problem. And confirm. You can choose all of them. Okay. Let me check. There are files for all of the wires. Then you can transfer all the wire files to the bending computer to begin the bending process.